Welcome to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Ubisoft account. So first, you can open your Ubisoft account using web browser. You can go on account.ubisoft.com, and from here, if you try to log in your Ubisoft account and then you forget your login account, it says invalid username or invalid password. So to recover your account right here, all you need to do, very simple, you just go right here and tap this forget your password beside this remember me button. So if we going to click this forget your password, you'll be directly go right here on this page where you can put the email address. As you can see here, please enter your email address below and we'll send you a link to set a new password. So you need to make sure that you put the correct email address and you know the password on your email address. So when they send you a link, for example, let's go to Gmail, and then you will receive a message from Ubisoft and indicating that you need to change your current password and set a new password. So you just click the link, and once you've set your new password, you can now go here on your Ubisoft login and just put your username and your new password. So that's how you basically recover your Ubisoft account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.